Camels, often called the ships of the desert, are remarkable animals with unique adaptations for surviving in arid environments. These humped mammals can drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go, storing it in their humps for gradual use during long journeys. Our camels also have specially shaped red blood cells, allowing them to endure extreme dehydration without harm. Their broad, cushioned feet help them traverse soft desert sands, and their strong legs enable them to carry heavy loads. Furthermore, camels are known for their gentle nature and have been invaluable companions to humans in desert regions for thousands of years.